Hi friends! Today for WIN, we are going to be learning how to multiply 3 by 1 digit multiplication. And because you have all been working so hard on your multiplication facts, Ms. Kuhn and I think that for WIN, you're ready to start doing some multi-digit multiplication. Some of you have already worked on this a little bit a few weeks ago, but we want to make sure you have this skill before we move on to 2 by 2 digit and 3 by 2 digit multi-digit multiplication for WIN. So I'm going to model how to do 2 of these problems, and then you're going to be doing a practice page that is uploaded to Google Classroom, and then you're going to submit that page to me so I can check to make sure that you're doing this properly. So one thing you're going to need for your success is knowing your multiplication facts. So I'm going to go through, we're going to start with number 1. And for number 1, it says 547 and you're multiplying it by 3. So I'm first going to start here in the ones place and I'm going to multiply 7 times 3, which is 21. I'm going to bring my 1 here and my 2 is going to go up to the tens place value. Then I'm going to multiply 3 times 4, which is 12, and then I have to add the 2 that's up here. So 12 plus 2 gives me 14. So I'm going to put my 4 here, and then I bring my 1 up to the next place value, the hundreds place. Now I'm going to go ahead and multiply 3 times 5, which is 15, and then I'm going to go ahead and add the 1. So 15 plus 1 gives me 16. My final answer is 1,641. This is called the digit by digit method. I know some of you are used to the rectangular sections where you multiplied 3 times 7 and 3 times 40 and 3 times 500. That still works, and then you add all your numbers together. However, we want you to find a method that's a little bit quicker to use in 5th grade. So that's why we're practicing what we call the digit by digit method. Let's go ahead and look at number 2. Number 2 says 681 times 9. So my first step, if you can think about it at home, would be to start in my ones place. And I'm going to multiply 9 times 1. Hopefully you all said that's 9. So we're just going to go ahead and drop the 9. Notice that this one didn't have to bring a number up to the next place value because it was only a 1-digit answer. Now I'm going to multiply 9 times 8, which is 72. I'm going to put my 2 here and bring my 7 to the next place value, which is the hundreds place. Now I'm going to multiply 9 times 6, and 9 times 6 is 54. And then I have to add 54 in my head plus 7. Well, I know 54 plus 6 equals 60, and add 1 more, that'd be 61. So 9 times 6 is 54, plus 7 is 61. So my answer is 6,129, and we call the answers to multiplication problems, we call them products. So I want you to go ahead and try this on your practice page, which is linked to Ms. Kumin's Google Classroom or Ms. Pierce's, depending on which homeroom you're in. You're going to go ahead and transfer your work to lined paper in your math notebook, and then you're going to take a screenshot of your work. For my benefit, could you please make sure you circle your final answers, and please make sure you're writing those very nice and neat and also showing your work. Hopefully we grasp this really fast and we can move on to 2 by 2 digit multiplication. Good luck, you guys. Let me know if you have any questions.